Hi, it's Darnell at Wave Recipes, and today I'm going to show you how fast the NuWave Jubilee Smokeless Grill can cook up frozen turkey burgers. I mean, this is faster than any other cooker out there, and I mean by a lot. And so let's get started so you can see right now. Alright, so got myself some hard frozen turkey burgers here. They're seasoned turkey burgers, so I won't be adding any seasonings or anything to them. But what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to get the NuWave Jubilee preheated, run it up to 475 degrees. Cook time, watch this, going all the way down to just 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That's it. And that might be too much. And I mean that for real. Going to hit preheat and going to start it. And going to let that preheat. While that preheats, I'm going to get a couple of turkey burgers out and put them in there once it's done preheating. It only takes a few minutes to preheat. Alright, that preheat is finished. It always finishes preheating before I even realize it. But basically, it's done preheating. Get things opened up. Get a couple turkey burgers on here. Set them out like that. Alright. I'll close up. Make sure I've got my grill plate basically right on top. And then hit start. I'm going to let the time count down. Alright, while that's still cooking, it's got about 3 minutes left. I'm going to put some buttery spread on the outside of my bread here. And I'm going to put a little mayonnaise on the bottom of it. I've got some this Sweet Baby Ray's Race Secret sauce. It tastes okay. It's like a mixture of horseradish and some other stuff. I just wanted to try it out. I wouldn't go knocking down your grocery store for it. It's just okay. But I've also got some tomatoes that I'll put on my sandwich. So just going to start getting things kind of prepped while things continue to cook. Alright, we're coming into our final seconds. You see like some steam and smoke comes off the sides. But things cook so fast, I've never had an issue with it ever becoming like too much. Sorry about that. But never had an issue with it becoming too much steam or smoke because it cooks up stuff so fast. So let's check the temperature. We're at 189. You see 190. This one, it's in the 160s. This one's a little cooler. This one didn't seem to get all of the... This one didn't seem to, I guess, be in a good position to get as much of a fast of a cook on the grill plate. So I'm going to take this one off. Let's try over here on this one. Yeah, it's in the 160. This one's done totally. This one, I'm thinking maybe there was an issue of positioning. Maybe it just wasn't in a good position to finish it off real good. Just going to give it a little more time. So turn it on up to 475. We'll just give it like another 30 seconds or something, because I got to tell you, I've done these at 5 minutes before and they were totally dried out at 5 minutes. So 430 for about 4.5 minutes does pretty good. It's just, I guess, a matter of making sure you got things, you know, getting a real good touch of the grill plates there. So gonna let that continue. While that continues, just gonna put this one here on the bread and put the cheese on top of it. I'm not thinking that one was so close to done. I'm not thinking well, sorry for that beeping. I was trying to wait for the beeping to finish. I don't think I'm going to have any real like contamination issues or anything of that sort. I'm going to probably use the rest of my tomatoes just to get them over with and be done with them. Put the cheese on top. Let's check the temperature now real quick. I think we'll be okay with this now. You see we're up to the 190s. You see in here it's like 160. Yeah, see it's up there. So we're totally done where we're testing. Everything's done. You see it just takes, you know, seconds, you know, less than 5 minutes or maybe 5 minutes, you know. So one took less than 5, the other one took, you know, a fifth, you know, 5 minutes, the full 5 minutes. So it took another 30 seconds. So you can go about 4.5 minutes, you know, maybe 5 minutes, and you're going to be done. I'd say less than 5 minutes. Just check them after like 4.5. I I think if this one was probably just positioned a little further over, you know, maybe the grill has hot spots in certain areas and not others. But what I'm going to do now, I've got this all, you know, buttered up. I'm going to stick this on my grill plate and going to close up. I'm going to put the grill plate up high and then let it drop down right on my bread so that it's right on my bread. I'm going to turn this cooker off, back on, up to 475 again, drop my cooking time down to 2 minutes and hit start. And let that cook that up for a couple of minutes so we have a nice pressed sandwich. Just making sure that I got the grill plates right on top of it good. Alright, it's finished cooking. We open up, we see our nice pressed sandwich there. And going to get the sandwich off carefully. Trying to burn myself. Alright. There's our nice pressed sandwich. And we got, you know, another turkey burger for later. But you see, I mean, this took like, what, maybe 7 minutes of cooking time total, or less if you just had one. So, you know, there you go. You got a turkey burgers, your pressed out sandwich. Not even 10 minutes of cooking time and you're done. So let's get things moved around and taste test. All right, look at that turkey burger. Cooked super fast. You can see underneath. I mean, it's incredible how quick this thing cooks, but let's taste it. Alright, now on any other cooker I can name, turkey burger takes 15-20 minutes to cook. This, you can get it in under 5 minutes or about 5. So, you know, you can get your turkey burgers knocked out, make a whole sandwich, less than 10 minutes. You know, it takes like a few minutes to preheat, okay? So, let's say a few minutes to preheat, let's say maybe 5 minutes to cook your turkey burgers or less, a couple minutes to do your, you know, toasted bread, you know, just press down that sandwich. So maybe 10 minutes total from start to finish, and you got turkey burgers. You can't cook turkey burgers in 10 minutes in any other cooking and have them done that fast. They don't cook in 10 minutes in anything else. But you got everything from start to finish done here in 10 or less minutes. And so, incredible stuff from the NuWave Jubilee. I don't think it can get faster, but anyway, you can find this, other recipes, heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. Referral links for this cooker in the description box. You pay the same price, but you help this channel a lot. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.